Maria Variety Vlog is here. Let's go, samahan niyo ako. Magbablog tayo sa one of my site here in Dubai. Let's go.
Let's go guys, samahan niyo ako. I will show you around Business Bay, one of my place here in Dubai. I will show you my journey here in Dubai. I will show you around my place, one of my places. Let's go. But before anything else, I would like to say shout out to all my Egypt friends and supporters. Thank you so much everyone for everybody that they would believing me and supporting me in my channel. And I was so much thankful to each and everyone. Support each and everyone. Now let's go. I will show you around my place or one of my site here. I will show you. It's very amazing place. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes,
And this is the place,
one
guys.
of my site.
It's very high building. Look at that. They have a swimming pool. And the building, it's so,
building is so high.
Look at that, guys. And look at that, guys. And the around. This is Business Bay place. And this is the view from outside. I'm here now in 22 floor, and this is the surrounding from the outside. Look at that, guys. It's very high, all the buildings. Hello everyone, hello, shout out to all. I'm here now in Business Bay. Look at that place, so nice. Look, it's very high building. And they have a swimming pool down. And look at that building, it's too much high.